Hi there! Have you ever wondered if you can balance a full-time job while growing a successful online side hustle? If you've been thinking about extra income streams or following your passion online, stick around. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to master both worlds without burning out. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get started. Let's start with tip number 1. Time management is the key. Balancing a full-time job and an online side hustle starts with mastering your time management. I suggest that you use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to plan your day really well. I recommend that you block out specific hours for your side hustle, ensuring you dedicate focused and undistracted time towards it. For instance, if you work a 9 to 5, I recommend that you consider spending an hour each morning or in the evening on your side hustle. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks can prevent overwhelm and help you really boost your productivity. Consistency is also very important to your schedule, just as you would with any other important meeting or task. Let's now move on to tip number 2, prioritize and delegate. I recommend that you learn to prioritize tasks that have the most significant impact on your side hustle's long-term growth. I recommend that you focus on high leverage activities like content creation, marketing, or networking, and consider delegating less important tasks. You can use platforms like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, which can connect you with freelancers who can handle administrative work. For example, if you run an online web shop, spend your time developing marketing strategies or creating products, while outsourcing tasks like customer service or order fulfillment. This way you're not spreading yourself too thin, and you can then focus on what truly drives more growth in your online business. Let's now move on to tip number 3, leverage your full-time job skills. Don't underestimate the skills and the knowledge that you have gained from your full-time job. These can often be transferred to your online side hustle. If you work in marketing, use your expertise to promote your online business. Let's say that you're in finance. You can also apply these budgeting skills to manage your side hustle's finances more efficiently. An example could be a customer service representative using their people skills to enhance client relationships in their online coaching business. Leveraging these skills can save you both time and improve the quality of your side hustle's efforts over time. Let's now move on to tip number 4, set realistic goals and milestones. Setting realistic and achievable goals is very essential for your success. I recommend that you break down your long-term objectives into smaller milestones to help you track your progress and to help you stay motivated. SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, can be particularly effective in this scenario. For instance, instead of aiming to grow your blog audience, you could set a goal to increase your blog traffic by 20% over the next 3 months by publishing 1 high-quality post per week. This clarity helps you stay focused and measures your success more accurately. Let's move on to tip number 5, self-care and avoiding burnout. Balancing both can be very exhausting, so prioritize your self-care to maintain your energy levels. I recommend that you take regular breaks, exercise, and you have a very healthy diet in your lifestyle. I also recommend that you schedule downtime and you stick to it, just as you would with other work commitments. For example, you can take a 10-minute walk after every work session to help clear your mind, or you could even practice mindfulness exercises to help you reduce some stress. Remember, a burnt out you is a less productive you, so keeping yourself healthy is vital for sustaining your online side hustle. Let me now give you tip number 6, continuous learning and adaptability. The online business landscape is ever evolving, so continuous learning is very important for your development. I recommend that you stay updated with industry trends, take online courses, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even YouTube can provide valuable insights and give you more skills. For example, if you're running an online store, keep up with the latest e-commerce trends and SEO best practices. This proactive approach will help you to stay competitive and grow your side hustle more effectively. Let's now move on to tip number 7, maximize your productivity. Finding productivity hacks can make a very big difference. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break, can help you maintain your focus. Additionally, batch processing similar tasks together can also help you to save time. For example, you can create all your social media content for the week in just one sitting rather than spreading it out during the week. Leveraging automation tools can also save you a significant amount of time. I recommend that you use apps like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule social media content and posts, and you can use tools like Zapier to automate many of your repetitive tasks. By automating where possible, you can focus more of your energy on more high-value activities that can directly contribute to your side hustle's online growth. Let's now move on to tip number 8, set clear boundaries. To help you avoid burnout, it's very essential to set clear boundaries between your full-time job, your side hustle, and your personal life. I recommend that you think about communicating your side hustle hours to your family and your friends, which can help you to minimize interruptions. It's also important to take regular breaks to ensure that you have downtime so that you can recharge fully. I recommend that you create a dedicated workspace for your online side hustle, even if it's just a small desk in the corner of your room. This physical separation can help you mentally switch between your roles. Also, I recommend that you consider setting specific goals for your side hustle to help you stay motivated and track your progress over time. Let's now move on to tip number 9, monitor your progress and adjust. I recommend that you regularly assess the performance of your side hustle to identify what's working and what's not. You can use analytics tools to help you track metrics such as website traffic, sales, and social media engagement. This data can provide valuable insights into where to focus your efforts for more maximum impact. I also recommend that you be flexible and willing to adjust your strategy based on what you learn. For example, if you notice that social media marketing is driving most of your website traffic, you might invest more time in creating engaging content for those given platforms. Continual learning and adaptation are very key to balancing both roles more successfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you balance your full-time job with your online side hustle. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below this video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.